Hey, how's everyone doing? So we got a new problem now, and this has nothing to do with like car manufacturers, like their parts or nothing like that, like you'd think is typical recalls, but this could be a major issue. I never even thought of this, how this could really change the auto industry, but it's real and it's happening right now. So let me share some new information that just came out last month and how it might affect the vehicle you're driving right now and what you need to do about it. So like I said, with all the problems these days with vehicles, it's not new to hear something like a manufacturing issue that's going on. But this is a new one. I've never really heard of this before. But so far, Nissan and Toyota have a big fear on their hands when it comes to a shortage. So if you're not aware, a lot of the new hybrids and fuel efficient engines require super low viscosity synthetic oils. You've seen that across the board. They're super thin, but a lot of the Nissan and Toyota products require 0W8 or 0W16, and you don't really think much of it, but now there is a huge problem. So Toyota, which we know sells a ton of vehicles, are already warning dealers, and this was just last month, that there's going to be a national shortage of these viscosity oils. And this is a big deal because we know with auto manufacturers, they're really strict on what you need to put in as far as oil weights go and standing behind warranties and all that if you put something different. So they're already trying to make a work around this. That's how serious this is going to be, they feel like, for this summer. And so what they're already doing is they're telling dealers to occasionally substitute heavier oil grades for some of the service intervals. So depending on what service it is, they want them to use a heavier weight to kind of alternate through it to make the oil last longer. That's how big of a problem this really is. And usually what happens is they're going to use a thicker oil is where you're going to notice is at the pump. You'll get lower miles per gallon. That's usually the trade-off because they're not doing it so big that's going to have anything to do with the reliability of the engine, but it has to do with the fuel economy. You run in a thicker oil. And so what this means for you, if you have a hybrid, more than likely, because that's kind of what it mainly affects, is you'll start seeing changes at service centers over the few months coming up. It's because some of these grades are going to get harder to find, so your wait times will increase. And they're also saying that prices for the synthetic oil could climb because it's going to be a supply and demand thing now. So if you thought an oil change was expensive before, well, it might get more expensive if you're driving a hybrid in the few months coming. So again, it's just crazy to see. I never would thought that there'd be like an oil shortage of this kind of stuff because you've never been affected. I've never been affected by it. You just go to the dealer, get your oil change, and never thought much of it. But now, like I said, if you guys have a hybrid vehicle, you might start noticing some changes when you go to the dealer or wherever you go get your oil changed. It might be they don't have it on hand, has to be ordered. And if they do, the prices might climb. So again, I want to keep you guys on the loop on this because that's a big one. Especially if it gets to the point where you can't really get it, then it's going to be, you might have to book an oil change months in advance to even get in there. It won't be like you can just go to your Jiffy Lube and get it done. So it could definitely change the auto industry going forward if they can't get this fixed. And right now they said it's a major issue going forward. So time will tell. So I just want to keep you guys posted. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.